Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to change which applications show us brief notifications on our screen in Samsung Galaxy S22 phone. Where to look for our notifications options? We have to go to Settings. We need to scroll a bit down to Notifications menu, and here we have Notifications pop-up style. In here we have apps to show us brief notifications. By default, all applications installed on our phone are selected, but let's say we don't want some. For example, we don't want this one, this one, this one. We simply pick and choose, and no need to save this list, just back out. And now, as you can see, some of our messages won't show us as a brief pop-up. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.